This is the October Pretty Obsessed box. Let's open her on up. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I have this, and this is the October Pretty Obsessed box. Really happy that it's managed to get here in the month that it is, October, so that makes me a happy girl indeed. This is the luxury box, which is £24.99. You get 10 full-size products in here. The Obsessed do other boxes as well, and I've wrote them down. So they have the premium box, which is 5 full-size products for £14.99. The luxury box, like I said, what this is, which is £24.99 for 10 full-size products. They do a skincare and pamper box where you get 5 full-size products for £19.99. A makeup only box where you get 5 full-size bits in there for £19.99. And they do a ladies essential box as well where you get 6 to 7 products in there to help with that time of the month, which is £9.99. But let's open this up. If you are interested, how would you get in here? There it is. If you are interested in subscribing to this, I will leave the link down below in the information box. Check it on out. It will get you free postage on your first box, which is always good. So this is inside the box. We get this card, which is just about referring a friend, which is, yeah, what I've just said there, which is fab. And here is a quick sneak peek for you, but we're going to have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So the first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand The Mag Lab, and it is Magnesium Crushed Bath Bombs, and it's calendula. I can't say that. I hope I'm saying it right. I'm probably not. Calendula petals. I can't really smell what it is like in there, but it feels like typical bath salts. It's known to relax the body, mind, and infuse with natural flower petals. Yeah, sounds good to me. The second item we have is this. So it's by the brand Pactology, and it is a mood mask. Okay, it says The Good Fight Clear Skin Sheet Mask. It's got willow bark, tea tree and peppermint in here, and yeah, you get one mask. I do love a good sheet mask. I'm sure I've heard of this brand before, but I haven't had this mask before, so yeah, it'd be interesting to see what it's like. I bet you it's nice and cooling on the skin. The third item we have in the box is this. So it's by Revolution, and it is Dream Glow Soft Glamour Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, I do like an eyeshadow palette. While I'm opening this up, I don't know if you know that I've got a giveaway going on at the moment. It is the Glossy 2022 Advent Calendar. I'll link it just here. That video is just me unboxing the calendar and advising you on how you can enter the free giveaway. So make sure to check that out. The winner will be picked on Christmas Day. But yeah, this is what the palette looks like. Oh, that's really pretty actually. Lovely. So we have the mirror in the top there, and them are the colours that we have. Are they all shimmers? Okay, so it's a £9 palette. We have 2 mattes and the rest are shimmers. That's unusual, isn't it? Okay, so we'll swatch the 2 mattes. Why not? Feels lovely and soft. And then the shimmers, we'll go for this pinky one. And we'll go for, I don't know, this one here. Why not? Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Very pigmented. And even the shimmery ones are very shimmery, funny enough. But yeah, that is a really nice palette. Fourth item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Upcycle, and it is hand and body wash with lemongrass and kiwi water, plus glycerin, peppermint and orange oils to cleanse and refresh. That actually sounds really nice. So this is what it looks like. I really like this brand. I think I've had 1 or 2 bits from this brand in the past. So we just have a squeezy nozzle. Let's test it out. Oh, it's more than what I wanted to come out, but that is what it looks like. It's like a gel. Wow, that actually smells really nice. That lemon is really coming through. You can really smell that lemon. But yeah, not bad at all. I think I will use that as a body wash. Fifth item I've got is this. So it is by the brand W7, and it is absolutely prime. It is a primer. Okay. I'm not big on primers. Every now and then I go fancy and I try primers and stuff. There's only one or two that I've ever used that I've stuck with all the way until I've used it all. But let's have a look at this. Ah, right, okay. It's actually an eyelash primer. Oh god, I'm so not with it today. Oh my goodness. Yeah, lash primer. Okay, I'm actually a bit more excited about it now that I know it's an eyelash primer. But that is what the brush looks like. Yeah, I love plastic little spiky brush like that. I can't talk. Look how dark it is outside. It's so late at night and I think it's time for bed. I am dressed for bed. Okay, yeah, we'll have to give that a go and see if it's any good. The sixth item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Cougar by Paula Doon, and this is a pink grapefruit moisturizer. Citrus extracts work to leave your skin feeling completely refreshed and energized. There's 50 mils that you get in here. After cleansing, smooth gently onto the face and neck in an outward motion. Okay, I've tried a few of their products and I think they're all right. Not fabulous, but they're okay. I have had a few people comment on past videos where I've got this brand in this box before, and apparently this is like really cheap. But I don't know. Let's just put a bit on there. I put the smallest amount on there. Let's have a look. I tell you what, that smells gorgeous. It feels all right on the skin. Let's keep rubbing. It doesn't pill or anything like that, so that's nice. Seventh item we've got in the box is this. So we have another product by Pactology, and this is a moisturizing roll-on eye serum. Okay. What is that? Hero status. I don't know. Hyaluronic acid, banana extract, mango extract. Ooh, we've got a bit of fruity tooty going on. Let it roll. When dryness strikes the eye area, roll on this smoothing serum full of all-star hydrating ingredients. I think I've actually had anything from Pactology before. I think I've heard of them before. What do you think of the brand? Comment below and let me know. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Little roller balls in a glass bottle. Okay, so I've literally just put some here. Yeah, feels like a nice thin serum. Yeah, I think it smells quite pleasant. I must say I'm loving the packaging. It's quite playful, really nice. The eighth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Emery Nails, and it's a gloss nail polish in the shade Ruby. More normally a gel polish kind of girl, but that does look like a really nice vampy colour. Really nice. Oh yeah, can you see that? Oh, it does look really nice. I might try putting that on my nails and then putting a gel polish top coat on top of it to see. I suppose that would prolong it a bit, wouldn't it? We can only but find out. The product in the box that we have is this. So this is by the brand Magnesium. I have never heard of this brand before, so I'm presuming it's on the cheaper side of things. This is a lipstick and it is in the shade Classic Nude. Oh, I love that colour. That is nice. Let's try that on. There we go. That is on. It's a really nice pinky nude. I think it's matte. It doesn't feel drying on the lips at all. Yeah, it is actually really comfortable. Okay, yeah, I think I like that. The 10th and final product in the box is this. So it's by the brand Rimmel, and it is a jelly highlighter illuminator. What shade is this in? pop-in bottles. Okay, let's open it up and have a look. Yeah, I don't think I've had a jelly highlighter before. What I do know, it's really hard to get into. I've just opened a tiny bit there. It's proven harder to get into than I thought it would. Let's just try and get my finger in. Right, we have some. Let's have a play. Right, so there it is there. So it's kind of like a goldy colour, but it doesn't look too yellowy, thank goodness, I don't think. Oh, it actually looks really nice. I'll have to give that a go. Even if I don't like it as a highlighter, if I'm going for a more of a natural day with no eyeshadow, maybe I could just put that on my lid, just as a little bit of oomph. Okay, okay. I won't diss it until I've tried it properly. But I think so far so good. Right guys, so this is the October Pretty Obsessed box. What do you think? Personally, looking at the box, I think I'm happy with it. I think I am. The eyeshadow palette is really, really pretty. That's really caught my eye. The jelly highlighter, I think that's gonna hopefully be nice. If I don't like it as a highlighter, I can just pop it in the lid as a little topper. The Upcycle hand and body wash, yeah, I actually really like that. It's a decent brand as well. The bath salts and the lash primer, really happy with that. They are very affordable products. Not sure on the Cougar. I don't know though, because I've been all right with it. I think it's just because people are saying, oh, it's really cheap, I think, and I don't want to try and think of that. As I say, what I've tried with that so far, it's been all right. It hasn't been fantastic, but it hasn't been bad. The polish, I love the colour. The eye serum, I can't wait to try that on the little roller ball. The lipstick, it's really pleasant, and a face mask, really happy with that. So yeah, I am actually really happy with this box. Again, if you want to subscribe to this box, I'll leave the link down below. Give it a click, it'll get you free postage. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.